So we had a spicy passion fruit margarita, we had a mango margarita, we had a blood orange margarita, and we can't avoid to make the one which pretty much everybody loves it. Hey boys and girls, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to all new subscribers, new viewers and new part of the Just Shake or Stir family. And if you're just popping to the channel and you're new, stick around, and if you like what you see, hit the like button, okay? I love when I see this like button going bigger and bigger and bigger. But anyway, today it's another margarita, which is gonna be the last one from me before Margarita Day. But not the last on the channel, obviously. We're gonna go through all the margaritas in future as far we can go. But today we're doing something, or I'm doing something for you to show you how to do a strawberry frozen margarita. Because, let's face it, pretty much everybody likes strawberry. Pretty much everybody enjoys strawberry daiquiri when you go on the beach. But if you think rum is not your thing and you like more tequila, why not enjoying a strawberry margarita? So, let's do this. Now what you need for this, obviously, it's a blender. We're not gonna shake, we're not gonna do anything like that. You just need your blender, and we're gonna go with all the ingredients straight inside in the blender. Now, here I need to mention, the original strawberry margarita, you can make it with the fresh fruit, so it's required 2 to 3 nice ripe strawberries. But, because I did, I think a week ago or something like this, I did blended strawberry syrup, which pretty much finished, so I have only that left. And if you didn't watch that, make sure you check the link in the description and watch this short video, okay? It's only 1 minute, showing you exactly how to make the blended strawberry syrup. Not cooking required, no nothing, but it's fantastic. It's like a puree and you can just drink it like that. So we're gonna use this. However, if you don't wanna go through all these things, get a fresh strawberries, good ripe strawberries. Use 2-3 strawberries instead of what I'm gonna use today. And let's start with the ingredients. First, we need obviously tequila. Now I'm using Blanco silver tequila, Patron. Use your favorite or whatever you have at home. And we're gonna put 45 ml or an ounce and a half. Okay, so that's our first go. It's the tequila. I always want to play this song, but hey, copyrights, YouTube, I don't know how we're gonna go with these things. So I'm just gonna stick with, you know which song I'm talking about. Now, again, I'm gonna use my Cointreau, or you can use triple sec or agave sec, or use Grand Marnier. Whatever you have home, I'm gonna use my triple sec, and I'm gonna go, not triple sec, Cointreau Liqueur, and I'm gonna go with 15 ml, which is half an ounce, okay? So half an ounce. We keep, as you see, we keep the basic. We're keeping the original ingredients of the margarita. So we need a fresh lime juice, of course. We need 15 ml. Usually they always go hand to hand, the orange liqueur and the lime juice. They're always pretty much the same measure. Very rare occasion you may decide to go with one up or down, depends on your taste, preference, but pretty much they're always exactly the same. So 15 ml or half an ounce of fresh lime juice. Just drop everything in the blender and you'll be fine. Now, we need some sweetener, because if you use fresh strawberries, you're gonna need 15 ml or half an ounce of a simple syrup or agave nectar. Because I'm already having the blended strawberry syrup, I have sugar inside, I will go just with a 5 ml or just like a drop, a little bit of the agave, not much, just to bring this agave flavor to the mix. But if you're using, again, fresh strawberries, use 15 ml of at least simple syrup, okay? And I'm gonna go with my blended strawberry syrup, and I'm gonna drop inside 30 ml or 1 ounce. There you go. Wonderful. I'm gonna leave everything on the side there. I need some ice inside. Depends on your blender, use crushed ice if it's not very powerful. Mine's really powerful, so it doesn't matter what ice I'm gonna drop inside. But do not put too much ice. You basically want your frozen margarita to be like a slush. not like people doing these mountains of cocktails, which it's proper like ice. You don't want that because it's gonna be too much diluted. It's gonna lose the flavor. It'll be pretty much like you're drinking a water with some kind of a strawberry flavor. So don't go crazy on the ice, but you need a little bit to get this frostiness and just like a slushy nice. Okay, that's gonna be noisy, but it has to be done. There you go, that's me done. This blender, as I say, it's really quite strong. So let's see which glass I want for that. I think I'm gonna go with something like that. It may be too big, but I will use it anyway. And there you go, what you're having. You see, it's like a slushy. It's not very red. If you see some pictures like a bright red, definitely they use some syrup or some liqueurs or things like that to bring it really up to the red, or they use strawberry puree, which of course it's rich on the color. I don't know how natural it is. All right, and now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna garnish this with lime. Now you say, hey, where's your strawberry? Why you not garnish it with strawberry? Well, if you wanna garnish it with strawberry, feel free, nothing wrong with that. I will go with the lime because I've already have strawberries inside. Just gonna pop one lime wedge here, and this is it, guys. Cheers with a strawberry frozen margarita. Ooh, just what you want. Just enough ice so you can drink it. A very mild and like a soft flavor of the strawberries. You don't want these strawberries to overpower the agave and the tequila, because end of the day you want strawberry frozen margarita. So you want to have some presence of the margarita with the orange liqueur and with the citrus and with the agave flavor from the tequila. But you want this hint of strawberry. So if you want it more sweet, put more strawberries. Or as I mentioned, some people use strawberry syrup or strawberry liqueur to give it a little bit more red color and boost this flavor, because obviously they're concentrated and they're gonna bring more strawberry to the mouth. But I really like it like that. It's basically like, because the blended syrup is made with fresh strawberry and sugar, it's like I just blend fresh strawberries. And it's just wonderful. Cheers. Absolutely fantastic. This is going to my wife. So you know how it is. I'm not gonna drink that because, hey, I'll be told off. But hey, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. Okay? If you're new to the channel again, don't forget, hit this like button because YouTube really like it. I absolutely love it. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the small bell if you want to get notified. And I'll see you next week with another video. Don't know yet what, but it will be a cocktail for sure. For now, stay safe. And as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.